What is up, guys? As you can see, I just got this boat. I actually got it from Goodwill. It was like $3-4 when I bought it, so I was like, it's worth the risk. But unfortunately, that risk didn't pay off this time. I was really looking forward to using it. I really like the styling of the boat. It's pretty good looking. Double propulsion on the bottom. Well, I've put in the battery and it's on, and unfortunately when I go to turn on the receiver, I don't get a light on it. So I don't think it's going to be the end of this boat. I want you guys to stay tuned, and we're going to open it up and see what we can do with this thing. I'd really hate for this to go to waste, and I got a lot of extra parts that I could probably use. I think, quite honestly, the toughest thing I'm going to have, or the biggest issue that might prevent me from doing anything, is this double propulsion. So the way this controller works is you have to use basically reverse throttle to get turning. It's not the most accurate of steering, but you know, it's a small little cheap boat. But either way, we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and we're gonna see what we can do with this thing. So I finally got the screws removed, and it looks disgusting in here. Everything is rusted. Look at this corrosion on the motors. The board probably fried. So I think that's gonna be the end of this project. I feel like this is gonna be too time consuming and not worth it.